Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elhiana. Now I want to reading a story. The title is Grip the Rat. Once there was a young rat who couldn't make up his mind. Whenever the other rats asked him if I would like to come out with them, he would answer, I don't know. And when they said, would you like to stop at home? He wouldn't say yes or no either. He would always shirk making a choice. One day his aunt said to him, no, look here. No one will ever care for you if you carry on like this. You have no more mind than a blade of grass. The young rat curled and looked wise as usually but said nothing. Don't you think so? Said his aunt, stamping with the foot, for she couldn't bear to see the young rat so cold-blooded. I don't know, was all the young rat ever answered. And then he would walk off to think for an hour or more, whenever I said stay in his hole in the ground or go out into the loft. One night the rats heard a loud noise in the loft. It was a very dirty old place. The roof let the rain come washing in the brims and rather had all waterproof, so that the whole thing was quite unsafe. At last, when the joists gave away and the beams fell with one edge on the floor, the walls shook and the cupola fell off and all the rats' hair stood on end with fear and horror. This won't do, said the chief Wim, live in the place. So they sent out scouts to search for a new home. In the night the scout came back and said they had found an old cub of one weather would be room bird for them all. At once the chief gave the order from in line. The rats crowded out of their holes and stood on the floor in a long line. Just then old rat caught sight of your grip. That was the name of the sugar. He was not in the line, and he was not exactly outside it. He stood just by it. Why don't you speak? Said the old rat coarsely. Of course, just coming. I don't know, said Grip calmly. They are die of it. Why don't think it's safe, don't you? I'm not certain, said Grip unted. The roof may not come down yet. Well, said the old rat, we can wait for you to join us. Like about face march and the long light marched out to loft while young rat watched them. I think I go tomorrow, he said to himself. But then again, I don't know. It's so nice and snug here. I guess I go back to my hole under the log for a while just to make up my mind. But during the night there was a big crash. Down comes beams, rafter joists, the wood roof. Next morning it was a foggy day. Some men came to look at the loft. They thought odd that it was not haunted by rats, but at last one of them happened to move a board, and he caught sight of a young rat, quite dead, half in and half out of his hole. Thus the circus had his deed. That's all from the story about Rip the Rat. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.